Hi folks, it's Switchback. I have talked in a few videos about my Ocoopa hand warmer that I've had for a couple of years. I bought this a while back. I really like it when I'm backpacking and just even when I'm sitting around the campfire or whatnot. And it's rechargeable and you can use it to recharge your phone if you need to and that kind of thing. So because I've had this for a couple of years, I was pretty excited when Ocoopa reached out to me about testing out a product. I asked them to send me something that would be lightweight, something obviously that's important to backpackers, and ideally a pair. And so what they sent me was the UT3 Pro. Those are here, in case you couldn't figure that out. There's a piece of down floating. Floating. Down it goes. Okay, no pun intended. And I just got the opportunity to test these on a camping trip. I didn't go backpacking, but I did go camping. And it got down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 7 degrees centigrade. You can see that there are two of these here. And these are significantly smaller than the other one that I already had. And about the same weight for the two for the single one. During my trip, I ended up keeping these on one of the lower two settings just because the magnet on them got a little too hot for my comfort when I was on the higher settings. So that's definitely something to be aware of when you're using them. I think it's pretty cool that they can be used as power banks in a pinch, and each of these is 5,000 milliamp hours, and they have an input-output that is a USB-C. They come with a USB-A to USB-C adapter, a storage pouch, 2 charging cables, and 2 wrist straps. Together, these are 220 grams or 7.2 ounces versus this is 200 grams or 7.1 ounces for 2. How long am I going to do this? They come in blue, pink, and black. You long press to turn it on, like so. You can see that it picks up at the last setting that you had it on, which is kind of nice. Then you single press to adjust the heat level. You can double press to check the battery level, and they heat up quite fast. Like this is already warm now in my hand, and I turned it on less than 30 seconds ago. So they're magnetic, as you saw, and they go opposite direction from one another. When the magnets are together, the magnetic side turns off. But you can use them as one like this, or you can separate them, obviously, and they fit into your pockets very nicely. You do want to be careful dropping or getting these wet because they have no IPX rating. I would say that these are great for camping, backpacking, hiking, skiing, hanging out by the fire. In an emergency, I wouldn't use them necessarily right against frostbite, but to get things warmed up around someone with frostbite, going to any kind of sporting events, hunting, or really any kind of outdoor activity. Or if you want to not heat up your house and have your hands be cold, you can just stick them in your coat. I have even thrown these in my quilt before I crawl into it, before I go to bed in camping trips. I have rested them on my stomach while I'm laying in my bed. I have not tried them on my back, but that would probably feel amazing because I have back issues and heat feels amazing. For you to check out. Okay. Your rechargeable. Yeah. I will put a link in the comments and the description for you to check out the Ocoopa rechargeable hand warmers. Again, these ones are the UT3 Pro. But of course, there's lots of other ones. So you can look at the Ocoopa store, and I will also link to their website down below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got any value or if you just simply got entertained. And I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.